Welcome everybody to this presentation and this award ceremony. I called Jackie Nelson just a little while ago to let her know that I needed her for a really quick Ali Institute meeting because she's our Ali Institute teacher leader. And so Jackie does not know that this is happening. Jackie, congratulations. You are ExCEL award winner, so deserving. We're so very proud of you. Jackie, when we think about, the quintessential teacher, that is you. You have the perfect balance of old school and new school. You are so creative and innovative, yet at the same time give all the best practices that a principal wants out of a veteran teacher.
I want to read what Dr. Coleman said about you, our Chief Academic Officer. Jackie Nelson models for us the kind of learning experience all students must have if we are truly serious about eliminating opportunity and achievement gaps within our system. She inspires her students to express themselves in ways that showcases their unique talents, personal passions, and lived experiences. She has shown us what it looks like when content standards are connected in ways that are meaningful and relevant while also maintaining the highest expectations for academic learning. As a result of Jackie's approach, her students take great pride in creating work of the very high quality. Not only is the work beautiful, it serves as a powerful vehicle for students' voices.
I am just overwhelmed. I'm stunned, at a loss for words. But for the past 18 years, I just wanted to be a good teacher and help kids, never expecting any kind of award or anything like that. But I'm just so grateful.
Your passion is unmatched for not just building great kids, but building great human beings.
Congratulations. Thank you so much for all you do for our community. We are very lucky to have you. So here is your golden apple.
On behalf of LG&E and KU, it is my privilege to present to you today an award for $1,000. So we, again, are just so grateful for you.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.